Let's talk about the invisible force that's shaping your world, from the second you wake up to your last scroll at night. We're talking about artificial intelligence. And no, it's not science fiction anymore. It's your daily reality. And we're about to show you exactly how. So let me just ask you something right off the bat. How many times have you used AI just today? Go on, take a second and think about it. Yeah, I'm willing to bet the number is way, way higher than what you first guessed. Because AI isn't just about some far-off future with robots. It's already woven pretty deeply into the fabric of our everyday lives. Just think about this for a second. That simple little thing you do, checking for the fastest route to work, that is a massively powerful AI algorithm crunching real-time traffic data just so you can save a few minutes on your commute. It's so normal, we don't even think of it as AI. And you know what? That's kind of the whole point.
And that really gets to our first big point here. AI isn't some concept we're waiting for. It's already here. In fact, for most of us, it's a huge part of our morning routine.
So where does it all begin? Well, for most people, it starts right here. This little device we carry everywhere with us, it's not just a phone. It's basically a pocket-sized AI powerhouse. I mean, think about it. When you unlock your phone with your face or your fingerprint, that's AI doing pattern recognition. Asking Siri or Google Assistant a question, that's AI understanding natural language. Even that sometimes annoying but mostly helpful autocorrect that fixes your typos, yep, that's AI again. It's sharpening your photos, it's filtering out those spam calls. It's basically a silent co-pilot for your entire digital life. Okay, but it goes deeper than just the phone's built-in tools. Where AI gets really personal is how it curates your whole digital world. It's pretty much become your own personal assistant. Seriously, have you ever been scrolling through TikTok or Instagram and just had that feeling like the app just gets you? Well, that's not a coincidence. So here's what's actually going on behind the screen. These platforms are constantly learning from every single thing you tap, swipe, and watch. All that data feeds an algorithm that gets smarter and smarter about what you want to see, which, of course, keeps you watching. It's also doing other stuff, like recognizing your friends' faces and photos and trying to moderate content to keep things safe. And that's the key, right? The AI isn't just showing you random things. It's actively analyzing you, your habits, your interests to build a personalized reality, a feed designed specifically to keep your attention. All right, let's zoom out from our screens for a minute, because AI is also this invisible hand that helps us run our errands and manage all our daily tasks. Whether you're ordering groceries online or calling a rideshare, there are these super complex AI systems humming away in the background, just trying to make the whole process a little bit smoother. I mean, when you shop online, AI is absolutely everywhere. It's suggesting products you might like, it's helping you filter through thousands of search results to find exactly what you're looking for. And yeah, it's showing you ads that it thinks are relevant to you. And maybe, most important of all, it's working hard to keep you safe by detecting potential fraud when you go to checkout. Ah, and this one. We have all seen this, right? This isn't just some helpful little suggestion. It's a powerful recommendation engine that's analyzing huge amounts of purchasing data to find patterns and predict what you might want next. It's like the classic example of AI in e-commerce. So far, we've mostly talked about convenience, but AI's role gets a whole lot more serious when the stakes get higher. It also acts as this sort of unseen guardian in our lives. This is really where AI shifts from just making life easier to, well, potentially saving lives and securing our finances. It's a big deal. So let's take bank fraud, for example. Your bank's AI basically learns what normal spending looks like for you. So when a charge suddenly pops up from a different country for a really weird amount, the AI sees that anomaly. It immediately says, whoa, this breaks the pattern, flags it as suspicious, and alerts you instantly. It's like having an incredibly fast security guard for your money. And in healthcare, wow, the impact is even more profound. AI is quickly becoming a sort of digital assistant for doctors, helping them analyze medical scans to spot tiny details a human eye might miss. This can lead to predicting diseases much earlier. And it's even made its way onto our wrists, constantly monitoring things like our heart rate. And this is just a perfect example of that. That little notification from your smartwatch, it's not just a simple sensor reading. It's an AI algorithm that has learned the crucial difference between a normal heart rate when you're exercising and a dangerously high one when you're resting. That simple alert is a pretty powerful guardian. Okay, so this all sounds pretty amazing, right? And a lot of it is. But with all this incredible convenience comes a really important conversation we need to have. let's talk about the trade-offs. On the one hand, like we've seen, AI saves us a ton of time, it personalizes our world, it reduces errors, and it can improve our safety. The benefits are really clear. But on the other side of that coin, we've got some very real concerns about privacy, about data tracking, about becoming maybe a little too dependent on this tech, and of course the potential impact it's going to have on jobs. And that's really what this all boils down to. It isn't about whether AI is inherently good or bad. It's about being aware of this constant balance, this trade-off we're making between the convenience it offers and the data it needs from us to work.
So I'll just leave you with this thought. We've seen that AI is absolutely everywhere, working silently behind the scenes of our lives. The big question we all need to start asking ourselves is, as this technology gets woven even deeper into our world, is that a good thing? There's definitely no easy answer to that one. Thanks for tuning in.